shower, right?
Shower.
Cut out. In this wall, you're gonna have your toilet, your wall carrier, and a sink on this side or this side.
This side.
Okay, good. And then here, you're gonna have your freestanding tub.
Freestanding tub, toilet.
Like this on a 45, right?
45. On a 45.
And the faucet will be in the back.
Faucet at the far corner.
Okay.
And then toilet right here.
Just moving a little back.
Yeah, like it's coming right here.
Okay.
And then double sink vanity.
Double vanities there.
Yep, double vanities here.
You're gonna build the
wall
out
being built out.
because it's gonna be wall mounted.
And that's
faucets.
everything.
How deep is the vanity? 20? Okay, so it's gonna start right here.